When a person, or in this case, a website, wants to analyze an election, first you have to understand how a candidate wins an election.
So a person doesn't become president by winning the popular vote. A person becomes president by being able to count to 270. And by 270, I mean the votes in the Electoral College. And the way that those add up is that each state in the country has a certain amount of electoral votes based on the population of that state. So the way that a person becomes president is they win enough states so that the sum of those Electoral College votes reaches 270.
These websites, Real Clear Politics and 538, take into account multiple polls and sum them together to create a likely prediction. With all of the different data, the websites can be as specific as predicting each individual state's outcome.
So let's take a look at Kentucky. As you can see, Kentucky's a red state, and it hasn't varied a whole lot over time, but it's actually gotten stronger for Trump as opposed to weaker. I mean, it dipped a little bit, but it really does look likely that Donald Trump will win Kentucky.
But perhaps the most interesting part is on 538's website. You can see how each candidate's chance of winning has changed since June 8th.
You can see Clinton declining and Trump increasing until they're really basically even. Trump was actually a little bit up for a minute there. And then what happened at that moment was the conventions. And it was right after Trump clashed with the parents of a Muslim soldier. That happened on that day. And immediately you can see that as a result of the Democratic convention and what happened the week after that, Clinton really climbed into a very, very strong position, an 87% likelihood. That's almost the strongest I've ever seen. That is a huge lead.